WhatsApp is currently in the process of preparing several new updates for its platform, and they have just made an official announcement regarding additional changes. To begin with, there is an upcoming document scanning feature that has been observed in the beta version of Android 2. This new feature is expected to enhance the functionality of the app significantly. Version 25.18.29 offers this feature, available to some beta testers, to ease scanning tasks directly in the app. When you open the camera, a new option appears with two modes: manual, where you control the photo capture, and automatic, which smartly detects document edges and captures without user input, making it faster and more convenient. After taking the photo, WhatsApp is going to automatically convert from image to PDF. That is, it would have a very similar behavior to the scanner that many other devices already bring integrated into their camera. But there are also a good number of brands that do not yet offer a scanner that offers you the documents in PDF. However, remember that this feature is still in testing, so it is not yet available to all users. On the other hand, WhatsApp has announced, through an official statement, its plans to support companies and creators in their growth on the platform, specifically detailing. Within the tab named What's New, there are some exciting new features. This particular WhatsApp tab is said to be utilized by a staggering 1,500 million individuals. The second is promoted channels, updated daily and now including 3 new monetization features. The first one is channel subscriptions. Users can support their favorite channels by subscribing monthly, allowing them to receive exclusive updates. The second option involves promoted channels, where administrators can first increase visibility in the channel directory. The third is ads in statuses, where WhatsApp says you can find new businesses and start talks about promoted products or services. But in reality, I don't believe that a large number of users will appreciate this feature. The reason is that now, while exploring the statuses uploaded by your contacts, you will encounter advertising. WhatsApp has utilized this release to highlight privacy concerns, pointing out that these features will be confined to the News tab. As a result, the experience of chatting with friends and family is expected to remain largely unchanged. Personal messages, phone calls, and statuses are kept encrypted from point to point to ensure no one can intercept them at any time. To display relevant ads tailored to you, WhatsApp claims they will utilize limited data such as your country, language, the channels you subscribe to, and your interactions with the ads. Therefore, in theory, you shouldn't see a car advertisement solely because you've discussed that car in your chats, just to illustrate. For those linked, if your account has the Meta Account Center, the ad preferences of all other Meta accounts like Facebook will be used, Instagram, Messenger, and others. The company guarantees that it will never sell or share your phone number with advertisers, and your personal messages and groups will not be used to decide the ads you see. However, this is where another controversy arises regarding whether people will keep using WhatsApp or move to other options. As we saw in the survey, many individuals prefer Telegram, yet WhatsApp remains the leading choice.